Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
Apple Music streams and lets you download for offline listening inside the Music app. Those downloads stay protected by digital rights management and cannot be exported directly. I will explain legal methods and practical workarounds that respect those protections. You will learn when saving is possible and when it is not allowed. Follow steps for purchased music, synced files, and personal audio. I will also show how to use files with apps like voice memos and GarageBand. If you bought from the iTunes store, you can download and export that music for files. On a Mac, open Music, convert the purchased or imported track to MP3 using Preferences and File Convert. Save the new MP3 to your desktop or chosen folder. Use Finder or AirDrop to transfer the MP3 to your iPhone. On the iPhone, tap the file and choose Save to Files to place it in iCloud Drive or on My iPhone folders. For audio you own, record or import it into voice memos or GarageBand for easy export. In those apps, use Share and then choose Save to Files to place a copy where you want. Avoid recording streamed Apple Music tracks because DRM and terms may prohibit that action. Use descriptive file names and organized folders to find files later. Check iCloud Drive storage before transferring large files. Regularly backup exported audio.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.